Hey folks, and welcome back to Shaggy's Car Shop, and happy Thanksgiving. So on tonight's episode, I'm just finishing up painting and cleaning some of my pulleys and whatnot, and I'll show you what this looks like all put together. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Alright folks, so as you can see, I have completed my custom Serpentine Belt System. I cleaned it all up and am currently scratching my paint that I guess is still a little soft. But I wanted to show you what it's going to look like when it's in the car, because it won't have as good a lighting or anything like that. So I'll bring you in a little closer, minus the alternator because I haven't ordered a new one of those yet. I'm still using that old junky one, but everything else has been cleaned up, painted. I got my correct bolts, everything like that. So I'll bring you in for a closer look. All right, there you can see. That's how it's gonna hopefully look and stay looking, you know, until I chip my nice fresh paint off it, scratch it up. I already got dirt marks in my paint. But my pulleys are all nice and cleaned up. Got my correct flange head bolts for it. I got my junkyard marks that I left or that were on this that I got off of there. Otherwise, you know, it's better than having a nice rusty, crusty piece of metal. So, all right, there you have it. This project is completed. Alright folks, that's it for tonight's video. I don't have much. I just wanted to show you that I completed this project finally. It's Thanksgiving weekend here in Shaggy's Car Shop, so I'm not going to work too much out here, even though I have a few extra days off. I'm just spending the time with my wife and kids. Want to give a shout out to my wife. Thank you for the wonderful Thanksgiving dinner the other day. It was amazing and you really made my day. Other than that, hopefully you all have a wonderful Thanksgiving and some of the future projects coming up. I don't rightly know. I don't know if I'm going to work on mounting the transmission on this, show you how I'm setting up the clutch and everything for this particular engine. I do have to clean this engine a little bit. Might work on that. It's not really too, I guess, grimy. It's fairly clean that way. It's just got dust from sitting and sitting and sitting. Yeah, other than that, no news on the Firebird. The last time I talked to the body shop, the guy was planning on having it done by Thanksgiving, but he got busy with some insurance claims and whatnot like that. So hopefully a couple of weeks, which gives me time to clean up all of this mess over here and move the Volkswagen. I know I keep saying that like every video. I'm trying to put it off as long as I can because, yeah, I really don't want to do that. But from all the cutting and grinding and working on this, my shop is just completely covered in grinder dust and dirt and soot. I got a few other things to do while it's still messy, like work on my motor mounts for this engine, clean them up, and a couple other things that's dirty work. But yeah, again, happy Thanksgiving everybody. Hope you have a wonderful weekend, and we'll catch you on the next one. Thank you.